Well, hello guys. Welcome back to another simple Python scripts. And today we're going to be looking at a alphabetical order checker. So basically what it does is you input a word and the program checks if all the letters within the word is in alphabetical order. And if not, then it returns that it's not in alphabetical order. So let's run the program real quick. Um, so one alphabetical order word I would say is Abe. Bam. So it is in alphabetical order. Don't mind this. This is the solution, but I didn't comment it out by accident. So, um, and something that's not in alphabetical order, probably when. Actually, no. I'll put another name, so like Wendy. And they're not in alphabetical order, so it works. But a tiny mistake, I forgot to put lower for the words because they're not the same. If one's capital and one's lower, they're not going to be equal in terms of Python programming. Um, so that's that. Um, let's go to the program. We get the input, we get the sorted word list. So we basically sort the letters into alphabetical order and put them in a list. And for word 2, we just basically have the word inside a list so that we can compare. Compare, and then print out the result. And I made there's not like too not a big issue with this, but I did make a different version and a completely different answer as well. So here we go. Last time I recorded this, I forgot to put any comments, and comments are very important. So, alright, different approaches to the problem. I made a function so it looks much more fancier, I guess. It's more cleaner to use in actual programming. You wouldn't just want this like piece of code lying around. So check alphabetical order, and then we have a word input at the bottom here. Then we just print out the result like here, and so this is basically the same version here, but it's shortened, so it's more efficient and it's better, I guess. So again, I did forget to put dot lower, so that's a bummer. Um, and then basically the only difference is this line. So the list command will just pretty much do this 3 line in 1 line. How convenient. And then it's the rest of the same. And this is the completely new method that I made. It uses the for loop with range. So we're not actually just having the variable as the letter in word, but we're having a number in range. So we can go through the word and have a different point of comparison. Because if we have one just letter, then we can't have like letter plus 1 because that wouldn't make sense. Um, we use this so that we can compare the ASCII codes of, well, we're not directly comparing, but the Python programming does it for us. So ASCII code comparison, um, and we put lower because, again, ASCII code for capital letters and lowercase letters are different. Um, and we have this word that lower, so that, I just mentioned it. Why am I saying it again? And then we have this I, which is the number. So we have 2 elements which right next to each other, comparing if they're in alphabetical order. And this is a checker for the case where they're not. So if it's not, then this return statement is going to get triggered. So it's going to say it's not in alphabetical order. But if it doesn't get triggered, then we're just going to go to this return statement saying they are in alphabetical order. And we print it out here. Um, let's test this. I'm not going to comment this out because as long as we just do this, this doesn't matter. So let's do the same thing again. Abe. Don't mind the first one because the first one's up here. The second one here, it works. Alphabetical order. Then Wendy. Kind of want some Wendy's, not gonna lie. They're not in alphabetical. Oh, never mind. Now they're not in alphabetical order. And let's try the other version. Just comment these out real quick. So Abe works, and Wendy. Oh my god, I can't type. Ah, whatever. It still works. Letters are not in alphabetical order. So there we go. Let's see. Let's comment this out again. And I think that's it. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. And this is basically the alphabetical order word checker. I hope you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.